Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, crescendo!
And on the Red Alliance, Hydro Robotics getting their preloaded note in place, adding a second and a third. It's like going back, and a fourth just bounces in. Not done yet. They're headed to the center line. Back, and they do get that score just at the end of Autonomous. 4 notes then for the Red Alliance, and 2 scored an auto for Blue. And 77-29, trying to add to that with one of the amp, but not quite staying in place. Alameda Aztecs pulling up the Blue's amp instead. Lining up, trying to get that note in place. 97-81, meanwhile, one teetering in on Red's amp, but it does score, courtesy of Northgate. And seems like Red Alliance has hit that cooperation button. Blue still has a few seconds left to do so. But Alameda Aztecs turn first to the speaker, scoring a note there for Blue Alliance. Their alliance partners, Titanium Robotics, doing the same, adding 2 points apiece to Blue's score. However, it is not enough yet to catch up to the Red Alliance, who still has the lead by 7 points. Seems like Blue, though, working on Titanium Robotics, tossing one note over to their partners, Alameda Aztecs, and coming back with a second themselves. 4 more points again for Blue, but Red Alliance still ahead by the same margin. And on that Red Alliance, Hydro Robotics across field, trying to grab a note from the source, unfortunately losing the grip on it the first time, but now they're coming back with one. A minute to go. Red still up by 7. And Hydro Robotics going back cross field again at the source, trying to navigate their way around the defense of the Rams. But they do manage to get free, coming back, lining up by the speaker with a note on board, and that scores for the Red Alliance. 10 points now, separating our alliances, with just over 3 seconds to go. Red needs 4 more notes scored if they want that Melody RP, and Hydro Robotics is going to do their best to get it. Lining up, they get 1 more placed in Red's speaker. Meanwhile, Northgate coming back, approaching the speaker as well for Red. Line up, unfortunately, not quite enough elevation on that note. But now with 10 seconds left, we are well into endgame. Last chances for our teams to score. Hydro Robotics, they have a hold of the chain for Red, and they're up in the air on stage. 3 seconds left. Looks like Alameda Aztecs and Titanium made it off the ground for Blue. With a score of 52-44. Red Alliance picking up 2 RP from the victory. And now for a little more on that match, let's take it over to our game analysts.
A little bit of a slower paced match there, Andrew, but I gotta say, I really enjoyed